I'm so.
And here's yours.
Thank you.
And here's yours. When the time is up, I'm going to bang this on somebody's desk. And then the time is up for everybody. Time is up.
Oh my God.
Time is up.
I know I'm gonna fix this. Hope I'll get the A proof.
And then this one has the
I
grade
know I'm
plus.
gonna ace this. Because I've studied so hard. Taiwan, what do you think you'd get?
Here, I'm coming back with your score. Here's yours.
Yes! A plus!
Here is yours.
Yes, I aced the test.
Oh my God, I got 100.
Yes.
What? I got an F.
Why'd you throw it away?
Because I got an F.
Hey guys,
Maybe next test I can help you study more.
Hey guys, what did Ryan get?
It's right. We're going to have a next test tomorrow, okay?
Good job, test.
Here you go. And where's yours? Oh. I'm moving you a test for your. Oh, here's your test. And down your test.
I got an
No, you have to finish it, okay? No, it's on the other side. It's kind of complicated. Everybody's done. Time's up.
Ooh, I hope I get an A plus. I already know I'm gonna get one, so there's no point of just
Rate it.
Hey, what do you think Ryan will get?
I think you'll get an A plus. I hope
I get
we help him study.
Whoopsie.
I get
Whoopsie
an
McDonald's.
What did you get?
I got an A plus.
There you go, Ryan McDonald's. And here you go, Jake McDonald's.
What did
I got an A plus.
Yeah, hey guys, I got
What
an
did
A
y'all get?
I got an A plus.
I got one and an A plus.
You're welcome.
Dude, why'd you do that? You shouldn't do that.
Hey guys, what's going on?
He stole his paper and threw it in the trash.
You shouldn't be throwing away people's A pluses. You don't know how hard he worked for that.
Yeah.
You should be more proactive and not reactive
What's going on?
and treat people the way
He
you want to
just-
be treated.
He just grabbed my paper and threw it in the trash, and I got an A plus on it.
Well, want me to make? Want me? I have copies of it, and you want me to give you another copy?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just get one.
But yeah, why'd you do that?
I'll try and be more proactive instead of reactive.
But why'd you do that?
You should be treating people
The
as
way
like
you, the way you want to be treated.
you shouldn't be like doing stuff to other people. I can
Here's your copy.
For this week, let's talk about habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. Oftentimes, when we want to accomplish things, we can sometimes feel overwhelmed because we don't know what we should do first, second, third, and fourth. So it's very important that you identify your big rocks. What are 1 or 2 most important things I can get done this week? Once you've figured out your big rocks, Make your to-do list and schedule your life around those must-dos. Once you've organized yourself and made your appointments and done all your activities, you're going to feel really accomplished knowing that you put first things first, got everything done, and left a little time for yourself. Hope this helps. Let's practice habit number 2 this week.
Thanks! Unity Day is Wednesday, October 20th. Bullying is when someone continues to be mean or do mean things to you over and over again, even when you tell them to stop. Bullying can be prevented through kindness, promoting acceptance, and encouraging inclusion. At the gate near the TK and kindergarten playground, you will see a setup that says, "Be kind." Your teachers will have a designated time to go over there and take a class picture. Wear orange on Wednesday to show we are united.
Don't forget that picture day is coming up. Check with your teacher to see if you're on for Thursday or for Friday. Bring those smiles and get your hair done.